Hello friends, welcome again. This is the second video of this series on Enterprise Edition of Java, very basic Enterprise Edition of Java. In this video we will talk about the installation process a bit, as mentioned in my previous video. The installation process is very straightforward. First you have to install the JDK, and there are two steps. It will install the JDK, then it will ask to install JRE. Install both of them. Next you should extract Eclipse, the latest version of it, the Enterprise Edition version of it, and while doing it you must do it in a shorter path. What I mean by that is that go to your PC and in any drive, in any COD or drive, any drive, just go into it and create a folder, any folder, Eclipse or some. It's better to create a folder. Then inside that you should extract, go to your desktop and then into the downloaded software, just right click and extract all, and then browse to that folder in your C drive or D drive, and that select that folder that you created and click on select folder and then click on extract. See, this will actually create a very smaller path. Sometimes if you want to just extract in the folder that you downloaded or kept the software, sometimes that becomes really big path and that might cause problems while extracting. Keep in mind while extracting this. Next you should install WAMP server, and sometimes after installation, when getting started, it may show something like ms vcr 110.dll is missing. An error may come up, and that error says that Microsoft Visual C++ redistribution is missing from your computer, and based on the version of your WAMP server it will need latest versions. What you can do is, if only if that problem arises and you do not have Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable installed on your computer, then you can go to this website and download any version, and 2013 is the latest one. Usually it 110.dll refers to 2012, but you can download any version from this site, and according to your PC, either 32-bit or 64-bit, you can download. Okay, next you can install the Apache Tomcat, and it will install okay. And keep in another thing to keep in mind, that when WAMP server is installed, when you run it, it must be green in the right side. We will talk about it a bit later in the next video. After all this installation, lastly you should install MySQL connector Java, this one. It will add the jar file necessary for communicating with MySQL via Eclipse. And in my next video we will talk about starting this WAMP server and making it green, or actually running all the services that it offers, and start working with Eclipse. Thank you.